Chieftain Elite. Custom-inspired styling. The eye-catching heavy metal smoke paint is complemented by premium bronze engine finishes, badging, and componentry. Truly exclusive. Truly elite. With only 150 available across the globe, the Chieftain Elite is highly exclusive. Designed for discerning riders who demand the best of the best. The 2022 Chieftain Elite combines a subtle, sophisticated design with custom-inspired details straight from the factory. LED lighting fender to fender. The Adaptive Pathfinder LED headlight combined with the rear saddlebag LED lights provide even more eye-catch style, even at night. Tinted flare windshield. With the push of a handlebar-mounted button, the tinted flare windshield will raise or lower to your preferred position. Powered by the Thunderstroke 116. Our award-winning Thunderstroke 1890cc V-twin has 126 ft-lbs of torque and power to spare in every gear. Touchscreen powered by Ride Command. The gorgeous 7-inch touchscreen powered by Ride Command features Apple CarPlay integration, turn-by-turn navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, 1 year of Ride Command Plus connected features and more. Precision machined front wheel. An open fender showcases a 10-spoke, precision machined wheel that completes the custom look. Brakes. Front brake dual, 300mm floating rotor, 4-piston caliper. Rear brake a single, 300mm floating rotor, 2-piston caliper. Suspension. Front fork tube diameter 46mm. Front suspension telescopic fork. Front travel 119mm. Rear suspension single shock with air adjust. Rear travel 114mm. Take a front row seat. Overcome road and engine noise with a sound system that cuts through it all. Powerband audio works seamlessly with Ride Command and sets the mood for your trip, thanks to front fairing speakers with built-in amplifiers. And the 9-band equalizer to crystal clear sound. Remote locking saddlebags. All cargo is protected inside spacious, weatherproof saddlebags. Simply press a button, the console or key fob, and your cargo is stowed away safely. 2022 Indian Chieftain Elite. Starting at $32,999 US MSRP.